things first, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe for more videos regarding travel, lifestyle, Jamaica, fashion, and all that good stuff. So like I said, I'm on my way to go couch shopping. My couch is sponsored by my sister. She actually wanted to get me a move-in gift, and she asked me what I wanted, and I told her I wanted some pictures, some like, you know, wall art. And she's like, how are you gonna get wall art and you don't have anywhere to sit? So she's like, I'm getting you a couch, which I'm so extremely grateful for. Thank you, big sister. She doesn't really watch my vlogs. She and my mom aren't YouTube people. They'll watch YouTube for very specific reasons, not because they actually want to watch YouTube. Sorry, my camera's very shaky. So right now I'm heading over to Quartz. I had seen a couch, or I had saw a couch that I liked over there. I don't know if it's still there because it's been a couple weeks since I originally saw it. So I'm gonna go over there and check it out. If I don't see any couch that I like, if it's not there, then I'm gonna go check out some other Quartz. I'm also gonna check out Singer. Might try to stop by Ashley. Guys, this is the couch I want, and lucky for me, so it's a queen accent share patio wine frost, yeah, whatever. The price went down, but lucky for me, I mean, it's $80,499 after taxes. So the money that she sent will be perfect enough, because I was expecting to pay for shipping, which I think is like $3,000. So it works out perfectly because she sent like 83. So this is perfect because this is exactly what I wanted. Wow, I don't have to go anywhere. I wanted to go into town today. I'm lucky, huh? I'll be right back. I'm gonna get someone to help me. They said this is not the right one, so I'm gonna see, because I really wanted this one, but I should have a picture of it. It wasn't any more than 83 from what I remembered, so I'm gonna check it out. I'll be right back. I'm kind of sad now because guys, it's $103,000. I'm not getting that couch. Like, it doesn't look that good for $103,000. Like, it doesn't make sense. Guys, I have transition lenses, and I'm so disappointed that I couldn't get that couch, but we'll see. My poor baby looks so dirty and needs a wash. Yeah, we'll just have to see. I was like, excuse me, I'm ready to purchase, and then she was like, that price is wrong. And I was like, huh? You ever had those moments where you see something that you like, and then as soon as you find out it's too expensive, or it more expensive than you originally thought it would be, it all of a sudden ugly? I feel like that was me. I was like, all of these ugly, everything is ugly. I think we do that, you know, when we sit at the price way too much. I'm just gonna keep it hanging on this. My belly is killing me, so I'm just gonna hurry up and go to these other places, get something to eat. I didn't even eat breakfast, and it's after 12. Play with my life. Anyway, since I'm about to drive and traffic kind of look mad, I'm gonna go where I need to go, and when I get to these stores, I'm gonna get back to you guys. So hopefully I see something that is 82 under, you know. I'm so sad. Next location. I'm not at the second location yet, but I'm taking like a good liking to this lighting. So like I said before, make sure you guys like this video, comment down below, Subscribe for more Jamaica and travel related, lifestyle, fashion related content. You are not missing out. And then if you are already subscribed, make sure you hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Yeah, because we like to be in the first gang, right? We like to be number one in the comments, right? Another thing that I will be doing is this light has been broken for the past couple of days now. Do better. This light has been broken for the past couple of days. But this road is a dead road. Like, this road is I will be picking people from the comments. Yeah, I'll be picking people from the comments and I'll be shouting out your page. So randomly picking people, that is. And I think at some point throughout the video I'll just throw up your name and, you know, do all that good stuff and give you a shout out, because a lot of people, ow, some stones are on that truck. A lot of people have been asking me for shout outs. So I think this is the most organic way to do it. I want to know that you guys have been consistent. So yeah, consistent in supporting me and I'll support you. I think that's a fair way to do it, right? Yeah. And make sure you check out my Patreon. My link is down below for Patreon. Make sure you check out Patreon for exclusive videos and pictures, behind the scenes, one-on-one chats, and your name at the end of every single video. So check out my Patreon down below in the description box. My hand is getting pretty darn tired, so I gotta go. By the Boulevard shopping center, and I saw something that, you know, might be cute, but I don't know. These are on clearance. Pause the screen and look at the prices. Pause the screen and look at the prices. I think this dresser is so cute, don't you? This one is actually really nice. It's well done. Whoever made this did a really good job. I don't see anything I like I'm saying, like, these just, they're old-fashioned. I like modern coaches, and the modern coaches are expensive, but I saw some over there, but after taxes those ones are 126,000, so it only keeps going up. And then I sat in one that looked decent, but it's tough. Some people like firmer coaches, but I like something soft. Like, I'm gonna spend a lot of time in it. It needs to be soft. The only other one that I see that I would possibly like, these styles aren't for me. The only ones that I see that I could possibly like is this one, but it looks so basic. Like, there's nothing about it that really screams on me. Oh my god, it's tough. Never mind, I can't. That's too hard. These are really cute, no? Guys, either they don't look good or they're really hard. This lady is watching me around the room. Like, why are you following? Her eyes is following me like the Mona Lisa. Yeah, either it's just not how I like it, too expensive, or it's really hard. Like, it might even be cute, but it's hard. But anyways, I need to find a TV console, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I left that location. I'm on my way to Kingston. I'm on my way to Halfway Tree. I didn't see anything that I liked. It's just, I like that one couch and that was it. Come on, eh? Just everything is so, I hate to say it, like, outdated. I'm gonna pop up some pictures because I don't want you guys to think I'm being biased, or because some of you guys love saying, oh, this is not America, this is Jamaica, the styles are different. But I'm gonna show you all some pictures. I'm gonna pop up some pictures on the screen of couches that aren't very expensive, but the style is very modern and chic and cute. Like, and I'm gonna even pop up some expensive ones to show you, like, some of these prices just aren't competing. If you're gonna charge that much, at least make it look the style, you know, make it look like it's worth it. But I know it's not just, they're not pricing things just to price things. I know other things go into it, such as material and labor. So I understand that. Anyways, I'll see y'all when I see y'all. Alright guys, so I'm at the courts in half a tree across from Rapid, right across from Wendy's basically. Yeah. They have a very small amount of coaches, so I'm gonna ask someone if this is all they have. Let me go find out. Upstairs, let's go find out. Ouch. Let's go find out what they have going on upstairs. Ouch. My foot hurts. Oh, they have a lot more, okay. Fingers crossed we see something we like, that's affordable and that's soft and that's cute. I always think these are cute too. I think these are $3,999. They have wardrobes too, but if y'all remember, I like an open floor plan. I'll be right back. Okay, you can see better where we are. Let's see how much this is going for, and let's see how it feels. It's going for $99. It's not hard. Patience, patience. Oh, not my style. There go the couch that I liked. I'm so sad. Like, look how just nice it is. Are you kidding? This one doesn't look too bad either, but I don't see a price. And if that one's $69,000, then I doubt this one will be any cheaper. Oh my goodness, this is $75,000. Yeah, so this one is much more expensive. Guys, I'm not having any luck with quartz. Isn't this cute though? I like how the trims are, how they fit perfectly. That's really cute. But I'm not seeing anything. This is not for instance. And I don't like, I can't even look at that. $125,000 before Jesus. Yeah, these is, they're not for me. I don't like armchairs like this. Like that. They're recliners. I don't see anything. Dang, guys, I'm out of luck. Alright, I think I'm just gonna try to go find Singer. I'll go to Singer because I don't don't like this. There's a lot of stuff I don't like. This isn't too shabby. But since the radio's playing, I'm just gonna have to. I'll be back.
Info's latest to this hour, the independent review team, which has been established to look into concerns raised about the Caribbean Examinations Council's grading.
Guys, so a lot of the couches that I'm seeing, okay, so I'm realizing now that I can accurately explain the style that I like. I do not like arms that are curved. I like arms that are straight. Yeah, like how that arm is straight, and then the gray one that I really like is straight, and like that white one is straight. I don't like the curved arms. I'm gonna show you again. Like these. But really, it's sounding real picky. But it's like I want it to count, you know. Oh, this is such a cute little coffee table, and it's so cheap. $9,000 after GCT. Let me see how it feel. It feel of quality. I have to see what I'm going with this. Hold on. Being a collection of questions, but I remember somebody had asked me about surround sound, I think. So I'm gonna walk by some of them and pause, and then you guys can just pause the video and look at the price. Yeah, but what I'm seeing is 299,000. No, that's a smart TV. Where's the surround sound? Sure. Sorry guys. No, that don't make sense. 22,999 for that one. And basically the same thing. Are these all the same thing? Was I showing you guys the same thing? I hope I wasn't. I think there's some surround sounds over here. To show you guys. Well, yeah, 32,000. So just pause and look. 36. Alright, I'm gonna come off of this because we don't want to get demonetized. But I'll be back if I see anything worth showing you all. Every time I'll come and show you guys fridge prices, because somebody did ask about fridge prices. I'll come back and show you guys fridge prices the next time, but since it's Saturday and places are already closing early, I've got to keep it stepping because I've only been to Courts. This is my third Courts and I haven't been to any Singer yet, and I haven't found any other places, so I'll be back to show you guys. Oh, this is on sale. This one, next one here. The one here is 34,000. Alright guys, so my Cafe Dolce waiting on TJ. It's cute in here. It's cute. Cafe Dolce is by Tao City. I'm just looking. Maybe I get something. I was gonna go get like other food, but I don't know. No idea. Maybe I should get some treats. I've been feeling something sweet lately. Not too sure. Guys, so unfortunately for me, my phone's about to die, and I'm here waiting on TJ in Cafe Dolce. But my phone's about to die and I still have to go to Singer, so I'm gonna hurry up. So I'll see you guys. If I order something, I'll show you what I order. Alright, hi guys. It's the next morning. Remember, I was at Courts a couple days ago and I wasn't able to find anything, so Kai found a place in a newspaper. And I'm here checking out coaches. Obviously I have to have my face mask on, so when I get back to the car I'll talk to you about my face mask on. But make sure you like, comment and subscribe to this video. Subscribe to my channel for more lifestyle, fashion, travel related content surrounding Jamaica. So yeah, I'm gonna point the camera at some of the coaches now and show you guys what they look like. the bottom floor down here. I was on the first floor when I was talking to you guys. So here's the same couch again. And I mean, is that the same one? Let me see. I think this one, the orientation is different. It's just small. Like, let's see. It is very small. It's very tiny. Like, it's a 3-seater, but it's so miniature. I don't know. Yeah. That coach is too much for me. Not price-wise, just too much going on in one coach. Let's see. I was really hoping that I was gonna like that one, but it's very small. It's too small. I'm trying to find the other one that I saw. Kai sent me a picture for one. This look, I don't know, it looks cool, but it looks so uncomfortable. And it is. This is a do not sit on this couch, kids, kind of a couch. And I was really hoping that it would be bigger. So this one is like very similar, but this one is much bigger, if you get what I'm saying. This is 99,000. I don't know the point of this. I guess the arms. Oh no! Oh my goodness. Guys, I'll be right back. Alright, so I just left from the couch that I sat on. It sunk in. Like, I felt like I collapsed in the couch. Like the couch was gonna swallow me up. I think there's a movie where the couch actually tried to swallow like a cartoon movie from a Sierra movie or something. But anyways, I'm on the second floor. They have some really cute lamps. Really cute, affordable lamps. Let's say that. So that's nice. So nice. Ooh, who remember these kind of lamps? I do. And they have some cute side tables too for good prices, and coffee tables. For the most part, this place is nice. Prices are very good. Let me go look at the dresses, wardrobes that they have. I might have to cut this short because the music playing. But they seem to have more couches upstairs, so hopefully I see the one that Kai sent me. But these aren't bad. Nightstand. Yeah, I'm not gonna really show you the prices because I'm pretty sure they have like discounts and things like that, so it doesn't really matter the price that I show you now. Oh look, that would be a very nice TV table. It's $17,000. That's not bad. My TV isn't that big. We'll see. When I find a coach, we'll see how much money I can find a coach for. I'm gonna take a picture of this. Let me do that right now. And then I might get that because that's not bad at all. Yeah. Hopefully it's not this one and they have more because this has some scratches all over it. But this is very cute for a 42-inch TV. All right, I'm gonna go upstairs.